Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Ryan bought me a present for my birthday. It's a Cobalt 3-in-1 folding saw. Haven't opened it yet. Well, comes in a nice little package. Oh, that's a serious pruning blade. Sharp, too. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to lock that down. Works better gripping it out here at the butt end too. Flips away. That's nice. Then it has a scabbard. And a snap-on belt clip, which will also go through your belt. I'm not wearing a belt right now, but I'm sure it would work. Modeling my raggedy pants. Kind of cool. Now let's see if what the other blades do. Don't have to take it all the way out, you just loosen it up. That's good. Slide the other blades out so I can reach them. And there's a scabbard for the spare blades too. And it's got a little protector on the blade. Keeps it from getting dulled. Or cutting a hole in your scabbard, I would imagine. Kind of nice. This is a finer blade, but it looks like it's the same kind of thing. It cuts both directions. When you push that down, it releases a little catch. It locks into that notch there. Let's see how this one cuts. Yeah. It's a great pruning blade. Wood course. Plastic and wood. Okay, so that one's for plastic and wood. Either one of them fits right in the handle. When this comes around and goes into the rest position, this goes down and goes into that notch. That notch right there. Just like that. That's cool. This one is for non-ferrous metal. Okay, so that's probably going to have to be something like copper. Oh, didn't have it in right. Didn't have it in the hinge right. There we go. I guess copper's a two-handed job. Not exactly a finish work tool on copper. I imagine aluminum and other things would work quite well. I think this would be a great gardening tool. Being able to shinny up a tree and have a little saw like this when you're deer hunting to get those branches out of the way would be extremely handy. And it's tucked in tight so that it won't fall off. Very nice. Since this was a gift, I have no idea how much it cost. But it's a very nice saw. Quick blade change, no tools required, backlock mechanism for added safety. Cool. Thanks, Ryan.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.